this lab video, I'm going to show you how to run a cross-tabulation analysis and a mean comparison analysis in SPSS. I will also show you how to create a scatter plot in SPSS. In order to demonstrate how to perform a cross-tabulation analysis in SPSS, I will be using the world dataset. I will use democracy level, dem_level 4, as the dependent variable, and the ethnic fractionalization variable, frac_F3, as the independent variable in the example. Note that both of these variables are ordinal level. To run a cross-tabulation analysis, click Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, Crosstabs. You should always place the dependent variable in the rows box and the independent variable in the columns box. In this case, our dependent variable is dem_level 4. So I move it to the rows box, and our independent variable is frac_F3. So I move it to the columns box. Next, you should click on the cells button and select percentages column, then click OK. Then SPSS should create your cross-tabulation analysis in the output window. This chart shows you the percentage of the cases that fit into the criteria of each cell. So for example, 34% of cases fit into the low ethnic fractionalization level, and they are also full democracies. In order to demonstrate how to perform a mean comparison analysis in SPSS, I will be using the world dataset again. I will use the Gini coefficient of income inequality variable, Gini04, as the dependent variable, and the ethnic fractionalization variable, frac_F3, as the independent variable in the example. To run a mean comparison analysis in SPSS, click on Analyze, Compare Means. You should always place the dependent variable in the dependent list box and the independent variable in the independent list box. In this case, our dependent variable is Gini04. So I move it to the dependent list box, and our independent variable is frac_F3. So I move it to the independent list box, then click OK. Then SPSS should create your mean comparison analysis in the output window. This chart shows you the mean for Gini04 in countries with low levels of ethnic fractionalization, medium levels of ethnic fractionalization, and high levels of ethnic fractionalization. In order to demonstrate how to perform a mean comparison analysis in SPSS, I will also be using the world dataset again. I will use the Human Development Index, HDI, as the dependent variable, and overall economic freedom, free_overall, as the independent variable in the example. To create a scatter plot, click on Graphs, Legacy Dialogues, Scatter. Select Simple Scatter. Place the dependent variable, in this case HDI, on the y-axis. And the independent variable, in this case free overall, on the x-axis, and click OK. And the graph should be in the output window.